Court will call 2014-168 State of Arkansas versus Robert Weaver. And this is another case that was set down for a jury trial January 12th. But on the plea deadline date, which was December 11th, the case was called, and this court issued an alias warrant for failure to appear based on the defendant's non-appearance in court on December 11th. So again, I think we need to reschedule this. I'm going to reschedule it for the March 15th and 16th trial date, with a pretrial schedule for February 12th. Mr. Weaver, it's absolutely essential that you stay in touch with your attorney so that he can be fully prepared to represent you on the pretrial date of February 12th. And
no, the pretrial date of February 12th, that's when I'll be reappearing here, sir?
Yes. And then you have trial scheduled on March 15th and 16th.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything else to come before the court?
Your Honor, there is not. In visiting Mr. Weaver yesterday, he informed me that he is on a 60-day body attachment hold, so there would be no issues of bond to be discussed in this matter.
All right.
Thank you, Robert.
You may be excused. 2014-41, State of Arkansas versus Jessica Dean. There's also case 2014-186 involving the same defendant. Both of these cases appear to have been on the docket of Judge Putman, and Ms. Dean was ordered to reappear in front of Judge Putman on the 15th of January, and on that date, the case was called and Judge Putman issued an alias warrant. She now appears on that warrant. I don't know what the scheduling issues are, but both of this case will be, what I'm going to do is just simply direct that Ms. Dean will reappear in front of Judge Putman on February 5th.
Your Honor, just so that Ms. Dean will fully understand, Mr. Bailey, I believe, had Mr. Russo represented her previously, and they will be appearing with her in front of Judge Putman next week.
All right. So, Ms. Dean, your next appearance in court is on February 5th, and as Mr. Cooper indicated, your public defender representative will be appearing with you on that day in front of Judge Putman. Any issues of bond or resetting of your case can be taken up at that time in front of Judge Putman, who's the judge assigned to your case. Any questions?
No. No,
All
sir.
right. You may be excused. Moving right along, we'll go to 2014-230, State of Arkansas versus Brian Sutterfield.
Your Honor, Mr. Sutterfield is here on a reappearance. We also visited yesterday. Your Honor, there's going to be no action to be taken in Mr. Sutterfield's case today. We did discuss certain things yesterday, and I will tell Mr. Sutterfield that there would be no action to take from that discussion.
All right. The court, his appearance here today is pursuant to the court's scheduling order to check on the status of the case. I'm assuming that everything's on track. Pretrial will be set for March 12th, and trial is set for May 26th. Mr. Sutterfield, you understand you're next to appear on March 12th.
Yes, sir.
All right. Stay in touch with your attorney and be here on that date. You may be excused at this time.
Your Honor, Just for the record, I believe Mr. Sutterfield is also on a parole hold.
6 month PV.
I'm sorry?
6 month PV.
Yes. So no issue of bond in that case, Judge.
Very well.